Hi everyone! For releasing, this unit is going to be shipped to somewhere in Mindanao. Before shipping it, the client wants to install basic stuff on this Nissan NB 350 van. The upgrade we have done is we upgrade the lighting system from halogen to LED, the parking light, the main light, the reverse plate light, and the interior. Parking, headlight, high beam. Of course, for the horn, we installed two sets combination. PIAA Superior Bass Horn and Sports Horn. And also, the alarm system of this unit is defective, so we replace it to a newer one installed professionally by me. Next, we also replaced the tint to be a film. The client chose the Stone series. This is the 90% heat rejection. Front, we're using the medium. And all the side, we're using the super dark. Check out the interior. This is how clear our tint is. And also, the interior LED, we replace it for a brighter one. Also, we do the PMS. We check the brake system on this one. Replace the brake. The aircon, we clean the aircon also on this unit. We change the evaporator to a new one. And change oil also. So that when the client receive is on top condition. Also, we added electronic step board on the unit. There's an LED light. And when closed, it's retract. And also we replaced the rear reverse to a brighter one. For the suspension on this unit, we're using the X-Stage shocks. And for the rear on this unit, we're add a lift to get that more perfect ride, and you can more load. I can put more heavier load. Here is the shocks for the rear. I'll show you. There. Okay. This is adjustable. This is the add a lift. Okay. Lastly, we also upgrade the wheels on this unit. We're using the Monster rim. This is a 15-inch, specifically made for van. And for the tar, we're using the Michelin Agilis. As you can see, fender flush. Okay. If you like how we built here, feel free to message me. Because stock is boring, guys. And by the way, no to fake wheels. And please subscribe and follow my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. See you here, guys. Bye!